In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up IP address for domain in GoDaddy. By the end of this guide, your domain will point to the correct server using an A record, which is the DNS record that connects a domain name to an IPv4 address. First, you'll want to make sure you have the IP address for the server that will host your site. If you don't have it handy, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to your product page. Find your web hosting plan and select Manage. On the hosting dashboard or under server details, look for the server's IPv4 address. Copy that number exactly as it appears, since even a small typo will break the connection. Next, open the domain you want to update. From your products, click the domain name to open its domain settings page. Here you'll see controls specific to that domain. Now move into the DNS area by selecting the DNS tab. This is where all your DNS records live, including A, CNAME, MX, and others. We're focusing only on the A record. Add a new A record or edit the existing one. Choose type A. For the name or host field, most setups use the @ symbol to represent the root of your domain, meaning the domain without any subdomain. If an A record for @ already exists, edit that one rather than creating a duplicate. Keeping a single A record per host avoids conflicts and ensures traffic goes to the right place. In the value or points to field, paste the server IP address you gathered earlier from your hosting details. Double check for extra spaces or missing digits. Accuracy here is essential because this is the exact destination your visitors will be sent to. You'll see a TTL setting, which stands for time to live. This tells the internet how long to cache the record before checking for updates. It's safe to leave this at the default, commonly 1 hour, unless your hosting provider has given you a specific value to use. When everything looks correct, click Save or Save All Records if that's the option you see. Your change is now live. DNS updates can begin to take effect within minutes, but full propagation can take longer depending on caching, often up to 24 hours and sometimes 48. During that time, some visitors may reach the new server while others still see the old destination. That's normal. To recap, you found your server IP, opened your domain settings, went to DNS, added or edited the A record for the root host, entered the correct IP, left TTL at its default, and saved. Once propagation completes, your domain will resolve to your server as intended.